Alright, so part two. Got it all back reassembled. So you can see the burners are all reinstalled, cleaned up. The lid is screwed back on. You can see the end of the igniter back there and the heat sensor, or the flame sensor there. It all comes up here to the circuit board, the controller, right, and then over to the fan. So when I kick this circuit breaker on, which is right down here, ignore that, that's the heat pump for upstairs. That might kick on as soon as I flip these breakers too. But we're going to kick on these breakers, and what I'm hoping to see happen is this little fan start up, flame come into all three of those, and then a couple of seconds later that motor start blowing. Now that blower will be blowing cold air until I put that cover back on there, because it sucks air from out here in, and it's hard to overcome this cold weather we've got going on right now. So let's kick this on and see what happens. So I'm flipping these breakers. Any second now. I have never seen it happen that quick before, ever. Ever. Usually that first little burn for quite a while before these other two kick in. It'll take several attempts to start. So I am pretty sure I just solved this problem. I wish I had videoed it before to show you what I mean. So you got all three burners burning, igniter turned on. Any second now this blower just kicked on. There we go. Now we'll wait and see what happens, but I am confident that that's going to resolve this issue. Confident. Update at 11.